In that plant where I worked, it was the environmental plant because actually the main product of the company was the copper, not the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid was like a nice way out for the off gases of the furnaces. So it was not a regular sulfuric acid process because in a lot of companies, especially fertilizers companies, you just buy the sulfur, like sulfur powder, and
Yes.
you burn it and you generate the SO2 that you will oxidize to SO3 and then absorb with water to turn into sulfuric acid. There, actually, they had a copper concentrate, but that copper concentrate had like 25% of copper and 30 or 40% of sulfur, and they were not interested in the sulfur. So when they put the copper concentrate in furnaces, and they had a lot of furnaces, that was in the metallurgical part of the site, they would generate a lot of SO2. SO2 with other bad stuff like mercury, like lead, a lot of heavy stuff that you would have to treat and you wouldn't be able to send to the atmosphere because of all the risks for people health. And then this sulfuric acid plant, a big part of the plant was a purification part where you would remove all those heavy metals and leave only the SO2. And then you would go to a catalytic reactor where you would oxidize SO2 to SO3. Then you would have a lot of absorber towers where you would put mix SO3 with water and then you would get the sulfuric acid. But it is a really interesting technology because it is an old technology actually. So through time it was optimized a lot. And then you have a lot of energy integrations, and it's very interest technology, and the plant was very very big. So we would produce like almost 2,000 tons of sulfuric acid per day.
Check out the full episode at chemicalengineeringguy.com/forward podcast. I'll see you there.